3, 2, 1, start. By the impugned judgment and order dated 31st March 1993, the High Court has come to the conclusion that the appellant Radha Mohan Lal (Criminal Appeal number 445/93 and his advocate appellant Shiv Lal Yadav (Criminal Appeal number 449/93) have committed the contempt of court stop. Both have been sentenced to 3 months simple imprisonment each, besides fine of ₹1,000 each, and in default of payment of fine to further suffer simple imprisonment for 15 days stanza. The basis for initiation and punishment for contempt of court is the averment made in para 4 of the application dated 18th September 1991 that had been filed before a learned single judge of the High Court in a civil revision petition which was listed before the learned judge stop. The said para 4 reads as under stop that apart from it, the undersigned has been informed by his client Shri Radha Mohan Lal, Vakil, ex-chairman of the Municipal Council, Jaipur, that he, along with other non-petitioners, have moved a complaint in writing against Honorable Shri R.S. Kejriwal to the Honorable Chief Justice, requesting him to list the above revision before a bench of which Honorable Shri R.S. Kejriwal is not a member, as they have reasonable grounds to believe that no impartial justice would be imparted from the bench stop stanza. In the legal light of the above exceptional and extraordinary facts and circumstances of the matter, the above revision may kindly be allowed to be listed before a bench not constituted of the Honorable Justice Kejriwal, as non-petitioner are known to have lost faith in this bench for reason obvious stop. In case the above revision is not allowed to be listed before another bench, the applicant may be allowed sufficient time to approach the Supreme Court for transfer of the case stop stanza. The revision petition arose out of an interim order passed in a civil suit that had been filed by appellant Radha Mohan Lal and 4 others in representative capacity, allegedly to ensure that access to the temple, which was the subject matter of the suit, is not obstructed as a consequence of encroachments by the Rajasthan Sports Council stop. The interim order granted in their favor had been assailed in the version revision petition stop. It is claimed that some observations made by the learned judge on 13th September 1991 in course of hearing of arguments led to about 50 senior citizens representing to the Chief Justice that the petition be heard by some other judge stop on 18th September 1991 when the matter came up for hearing before the learned single judge. The fact of representation having been made to the Chief Justice was given out of, and this led to the filing of the application dated 18th September 1991 stop. Ultimately, the amendments made in the application led to initiation and undertaking of proceedings for contempt of court and the finding of contempt and punishment on the appellants as aforestated. Appellant Shulal Yadav was the advocate for Radha Mohan Lal both in the revision petition as also in the contempt petition. Stanza. When Criminal Appeal number 445 of 1993 came up for hearing for the first time before this court on 3rd June 1993, appellant Radha Mohan Lal, who was present in the court, gave an undertaking to this court through his counsel that he shall file in this court on affidavit within 1 week an unconditional apology for the allegations made by him against Honorable Mr. Justice R.S. Kejriwal of the High Court of Rajasthan and shall appear in person in open court before the Honorable Judge and shall tender such apology to him. Accepting the undertaking, this court directed stay of the impugned order. In terms of the order dated 3rd June 1993, the appellant on 9th June 1993 filed his affidavit tendering unconditional and without any qualification his apology for any statement made or pleaded before Honorable Mr. Justice R.S. Kejriwal in the pending revision petition. It further appears that the appellant, in accord with his undertaking, also tendered apology before Honorable Mr. Justice R.S. Kejriwal. Stanza. Learned counsel for the appellant, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankad, has very candidly not made any attempt to justify the actions of Radha Mohan Lal before the High Court in filing the application as aforenoticed. Learned counsel has only argued for acceptance of the apology. Learned counsel submits that the appellant has impressive and unimpeachable credentials of being a freedom fighter and a vakil (an advocate and chairman of Jaipur Municipal Council. Over.